Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And it is a beautiful summer day, so we're so excited to do this recipe from the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease cookbook called
Lettuce wraps with creamy marinated vegetables. Oh, it's so perfect.
That sounds great. And if you have our book, it's on page 68 if you want to follow along. And when my mom made these, I thought, oh, these are gonna taste like something, I don't know. I was imagining something else, but these were so creamy and refreshing and bright.
And again, so filled with things that you want to eat.
Yes.
And I have chopped these all, so that's the only thing, but it really goes quickly. So let's start, and we're just going to start putting in some carrots. Carrots.
Chopped carrots.
And the next thing I'm going to put in is some red peppers. And I'm not a fine chopper.
Carrots, peppers, cucumbers.
Cucumbers. And you know, really, you could put all you want. I actually used the little Persian ones.
Oh, these are
this
the
time.
tiny, look how tiny
And
these
so
are.
that I did a really nice job of cutting those in little pieces.
I love those little Persian ones.
And here is some onion.
Red onion.
Red onion and some green onions. Was I supposed to have onions in there?
Green onions,
Yeah,
yep.
oh my God. And here is some...
Actually, she's being a renegade. I don't think that there's green onions in here, but go for it.
No, they're green onions, and I didn't mean to put the onion in, but that was for something else, but that's okay, because we just got... What's this? Shoot. That comes in another dish. Here is cilantro.
What was that?
And this, believe it or not, this is some garlic, and fresh garlic, and it's crazy because there's fresh garlic, and the next thing I'm going to put in is some jalapeno. And I thought at first that this might make it too hot, but it's crazy. It's odd how it just makes it good. And I only put in a half here because my husband says things are too tart. But Sharp. But
hot. Sharp hot?
No, he just says it's sharp. What he means is hot. So here is all of that. The next thing that goes in, hummus. And this happens to be the Engine 2 hummus, but you can get any hummus or make it without tahini and without oil. It's hard to find, but they are available. And it's not hard to make. We've done it here on YouTube. And then I am going to put in some balsamic vinegar. And this happens to be from the Olive Tap, and it's the lemon white, which is really good. I don't always use it in here. It's so I'm going to put in this, and then Jane is just going to keep stirring it and stirring it. I think that's 4.
Is that 3 or 4?
That's 4.
It wasn't counting. Okay. Perfect.
And of course, I would be stirring it with my special tool. And then we just get some lettuce wraps of any kind. And
oh, this is a cool.
I mean, these are beautiful.
This is actually called a couple different things. It's called Boston lettuce or butter lettuce, and it's probably different. I probably have it wrong, but I got what's called butter lettuce, and they make these really gentle sort of nests for these to be creamy vegetable or lettuce wraps.
Now, ideally, this should probably have a moment to kind of blend together.
Marinade. This is actually, I'll call this marinated. It's been marinating for like a total of
2 minutes.
3 or 4 minutes.
But we just want to show you. And it's so fun because you can eat this. I mean, you could be picky and use it with a fork, but it's just so nice to eat it like a little lettuce wrap, like a little burrito. And it looks so pretty to have a whole plate of these.
It's just it's so cute. It's just these little nests, like Mother Nature's little hand of, here, eat this. And you can fill them as big as your lettuce leaf is. You can fill them if you get like a
And
little
truly,
one.
you can do anything you want here with this. And it happens that I put in the shallots that I wanted to use for something another time, but you know, it doesn't matter. Just add.
Yeah, I could
anything.
imagine adding some really like summer sweet cherry tomatoes, finely chopped, into here. I could imagine adding basil. That would be delicious. What else would be good to add? Oh, you're grabbing some of my cherry tomatoes.
I thought it would be sort of fun.
And
I love cherry tomatoes cut in half. And we might just put a few, like, a sort of
oh, you're
little-
putting on the top. There you go. All right, well, it's time to try one of these. I'm completely hungry. All right, well, I'm gonna have here. Try behind the camera, Josh. See what you think. All right, which one do you want? I'm gonna have this one. Oh, you gave me a tomato on this one. Thank you.
Yeah.
Cheers. Cheers. Oh. It is so refreshing. So refreshing. Love it. Love it. Love
Now,
it.
the white lemon balsamic gives it a little sweetness that if you used another, like a basic one, wouldn't, but it's kind of nice.
Yeah, this is delicious. Well, tell us what you add to your lettuce wraps, and hopefully make them on a nice summer day. All right, cheers. Thank you.